Hi, this is Anna with WTI, and I'm going to explain to you why this 3-barrel curling iron is a staple in my day-to-day life. 3-barrel curling iron creates a more precise, uniform finish than what you may get from the traditional curling ones. It is easier to maneuver than a flat iron when creating a soft wave. The waves are easy to create, and the finish often lasts much longer, even on fine or thin hair. Additionally, the larger surface area allows you to grab more hair at once, which is cutting down on the total styling time. The triple barrel curling iron, it creates a mermaid-esque wave that can be hard to achieve with a standard curling iron wand. They create effortless, beachy look waves with the 3 barrels. The barrel has 3 black rubber tips that do not get hot. It has a swivel cord so it will not jam up. And that's my point of view.